To find the WorldPay SOAP API, follow these steps. First, visit the WorldPay website and navigate to the Developers section. This section is dedicated to providing technical resources and documentation for developers, integrating WorldPay payment solutions into their applications. Next, look for the API documentation or integration guides. WorldPay typically provides detailed documentation on how to use their APIs, including the SOAP API. The documentation should include information on how to get started, API endpoints, and sample code. The WorldPay SOAP API is typically used for server-to-server interactions, allowing merchants to process payments and manage transactions programmatically. To access the SOAP API, you will need to register for a WorldPay account and obtain the necessary credentials, such as a username and password or an API key. In the API documentation, you should find information on the available SOAP API methods, including payment processing, transaction queries, and refund requests. You will also find code examples in various programming languages, such as Java, C#, and PHP, to help you get started with integrating the SOAP API into your application. When using the WorldPay SOAP API, it is essential to follow best practices for security and error handling. This includes using secure communication protocols, such as HTTPS, and implementing robust error handling mechanisms to handle any errors that may occur during the API requests. Additionally, make sure to review the WorldPay API terms and conditions, as well as any applicable laws and regulations, such as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, to ensure compliance with payment industry standards. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully find and integrate the WorldPay SOAP API into your application, enabling you to process payments and manage transactions securely and efficiently. The WorldPay SOAP API provides a robust and reliable way to integrate payment processing into your application, and with the right guidance, you can get started quickly and easily.